As we said that I need to check that goods are entered at proper manner or not. So we are introducing a decision box where I shall check I minus a square into I minus b square is greater than 0 or a greater than b. If it is yes, then this will be processed and I shall ask the user to enter again. If it is no, then I can process further. Okay, so ये थोड़ा बड़ा होगा. Okay, if I minus a I minus b 0 or it is no, means if it is yes, then obviously the enter user has not entered the numbers properly, so I shall ask the user to enter again. I shall ask the user to enter again. Okay, so I am introducing the connector here. देखो connector यहाँ पे भी यूज हो सकता है, in somewhere else also it can be used. Continuity, and that continuity will be introduced at some other point of the program. If the program is very large, then this can be used, but in this case as it is small enough, so I can bring back the arrow direction. Okay, so I can rotate the arrow direction here. Is no. If it is yes, actually if it is yes, then the user to enter the input again. फिर से एंटर करो क्योंकि आपका एंटर करेक्ट नहीं है. इट इज यस, देन अगेन इनपुट. तो ये यहाँ तक तो फिर से नंबर इनपुट करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. आई शैल आस्क टू इनपुट द रेंज अगेन. वो इससे अच्छा है वो फिर से रेंज वो डाले. रेंज वो फिर से डाले. दैट इज फॉर यस. Just note that it is for yes color only. Okay. It is for yes. Okay. I can I color it with the different colors of green. I should be able to color. Okay. If it is no, means he has entered it correctly. If it is no, then I have to process further. I have to process further and go on finding the roots. Okay. So means if it is no, then he has entered it correctly. तो मैं इस कलर से आपको समझा रहा हूँ yes and no. If it is no means as per my program, then actually exact root was checked, but I am skipping this portion. Then I am coming here. If it is no, then I am going to check while fs. Here you see some declarations are there. A B C equal to M. Okay, तो ये तो A B इनपुट हो गया. तो हमें एक चीज करना होगा. C equal to 0, M equal to 0. This is nothing but assigning 0 value to these variables. Okay, so that is certainly included in processing. Okay, so this can be done at the beginning also, or we can do it here also. Ideally we have to introduce it after this point. Okay. As I forgot, I am introducing in the processing box input error. Okay, yeah, declare so this cannot be done here because this is not an input or output. Okay, so though I have written here I comma so I have to write c equal to 0 int equal to 0 and m equal to 0. Initially m was declared as 0 here. That is the processing I have done. If it is greater than or satisfied, then I am actually finding the root now. And while I minus, then again this is a logical condition. Logical condition I need to check. So here I am coming here. A rectangular box needs to be drawn here. So I'm drawing it here. Okay, in order to make the space, I'm drawing it here. Remember, this integer c equal to 0, m equal to 0, you can do it immediately after entering the number also. Before entering also you can do. Because as per the program, it was declared at the very beginning. This can be done. Okay. So, ऐसा कोई नहीं है कि as I have written here, you also have to write it here. So this decision is what? This is that important decision portion where I am checking. Greater than e. e तो इन्होंने ऑलरेडी एंटर किया है. Where greater than e. इसका दो ही आंसर बन सकता है. It is greater than e or less than. So if it is not greater than, if it is less than e, so obviously we shall go for printing. If it is not greater than e, if it is greater than e, then I have to move for other portions, that is to process further. Okay, so here it is the arrow I am taking. This is yes. Okay, so again in light. Yes. नो होने से तो प्रिंट हो जाएगा, मतलब m रूट बन गया है. अभी चाहते m equal to all these things are processing, so I need to process it. This green color is just to show that particular step. Okay, that यहाँ से yes और no का डायरेक्शन क्या है वो दिखाने के लिए. बाकी तो वैसे कलर डिफरेंस कुछ नहीं होगा, सभी एक तरह के लाइन. So here actually we are introducing a processing box where I shall show you